How to make reposts visible to everyone on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application. Now it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you're gonna do is on the bottom part, you will see five different options there. Tap on profile. Now you want to let everyone see your repost contents from TikTok. The number one problem or the number one cause for that is you have set your account to private account. So all you have to do is to go here to the three dash lines on the upper right and tap on the gear icon or settings and privacy. Then go to account. I mean, you want to go here to your privacy. Now here under privacy, you will see private account here. Make sure to toggle that off. To toggle that off and make your account public. Now once it's public, your repost here your reposts here are now visible to everyone and not just only for your friends, but everyone using the platform. And basically, that's how to make reposts visible to everyone on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.